Happy, happy, joy, joy, happy, happy, joy, joy, happy.
Morning, folks. Other than that, it's great. 8 a.m. folks. Well, the fog's cleared up. Sun's out. Birds are singing. Might be a lovely day. One can only hope. Starting to look a bit like yesterday, folks. Ain't life cute, folks? You got Zara here guarding a duck. Zara's such a chilled cat. Wonders of nature. Fun to get in the class. Cut the crown out of where all the leaves are. It's not being able to go through its life. It's been dead for many years, that one. I wanted to do a sky check. Thankfully, all that crap that passed over earlier today is all gone. Nice to see. Bit of a nip in the breeze today as well. That's about as good as you get as a sunset from me, unfortunately.